Sometimes when things break, you aren't meant to fix them. Superman doesn't exist, and even he can't save everyone. And in biblical times, God decided to let many people drown to teach them a lesson. We can't be heroes of others at the expense of our peace, health, and happiness. If they can fix themselves, if they can't manage through the mess they've started, I guess they deserve their punishment. Help them once or twice maybe. Pick up the broken pieces and glue them together. Maybe for a short while. But do not overextend your tiredness to the point that they become overly dependent on your aid. Sometimes, when things break, leave them broken and let the wind blow their broken pieces to the void of nothingness. If you're looking for an inspirational video and this is it, save and share this video to a friend. Else, get the Dear Self book.